Just a couple more things about rotating your UCS. Okay, remember here I got you to pick onto there and we simply rotated our UCS along the Z-axis. Okay, and in turn we also rotated our display to match our UCS by using these arrows in our view cube. The last thing I want to show you about setting up your UCS is how to get back to the original UCS. Okay, the original UCS, if you recall, was right here along the south elevation. Okay, in order to find the original UCS, it's known as the world UCS. Okay, so if you click onto here, you can see that the world UCS is right here. Okay, that says WCS, World Coordinate System. So if I click onto that, my UCS will go back to the original, and then I can simply click onto these, okay, so that I can rotate it back to its original position. Alright, now another thing I want to show you in regards to the UCS is how to save a UCS. Alright, so if I click onto here, alright, and I go ahead and rotate it just like I did before, and I'll rotate it minus 90 degrees, okay, and I rotate that counterclockwise. I am here at my UCS, and this shows my west elevation. So what I want to show you next is how to save your UCS so that you can recall it later on without having to rotate. So I'm going to type UCS, and I'm simply going to type S for save. Alright, and the name of this UCS, I'm going to call it West, and press enter. There we go. Okay, now if you look at this is called your UCS controller, you can now see that West is now located in this list, along with World, or our original UCS. Okay, so now if I go ahead now and I want to then, let's say I rotate this again, another minus 90. Okay, and I rotate that again. You can see now we're at the north elevation. So I could type UCS, and I can simply type S for save, and I will call it north. Okay, and again you can see right here, there is my north elevation. So you could see, or my north UCS. So you can see I can toggle back and forth. I can go back to the original UCS. Alright, and there you go. I'll rotate it. There, I'm back to the original. Or I can go, okay, I want to go to the west UCS. There's my west. I can rotate this, and I'm back to the west UCS. Alright, so a bit of a time saver there. Anytime you want to save your UCS, okay, so that it appears on this list so you can pick it, simply type UCS and then S for save.